Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Alright, today we're looking at a Whirlpool wall oven, and the complaint is that the cooling fan motor is noisy. I'm just going to go ahead and start up a bake cycle here. And we can hear the cooling fan come on. Sounds pretty good right now, but as the cycle goes on, it gets a little louder. It kind of has a tinging noise to it, whistling noise to it. Could be a bad fan motor itself, or could be rattling against some of the sheet metal of the oven in the back there. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Alright, so to gain access to components, we're going to need to pull the wall oven out. So the first thing we want to do that is remove the door. We're just going to open the door and we're going to pull up on these clips on the hinges, and then we're going to bring the door back up. And once it gets to about this position here, and once we get to right here, we can lift it up and out. Alright, we went ahead and turned off the breaker to the unit. Now we're going to remove the 2 Phillips screws here, securing it in place. Alright, so to gain access to our temperature probe and our cooling fan motor, it's going to be in the back here, so we're going to remove our back cover. And there's just a bunch of 1/4-inch screws to remove. Alright, here's our cooling fan motor. First we're going to need to remove this bracket that helps direct the airflow. It's 2 1/4-inch screws, it looks like. To remove that. And then there's going to be 2 1/4-inch screws on either side. Alright, and you can see there's these 2 brackets here, and there's also notches taken out of the cabinet here for the squared edge of this fan motor to slide into place. So we'll go ahead and disconnect our wire harness here. Alright, I'm going to take our new fan motor here and put it in its position. We're going to have the 2 notches that the 2 squared edges here are going to fit in. And we'll re-secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Reconnect the wire harness. Alright, we're just going to take our panel now, our bracket, and put it back into place. There's a notch out on this side for our wire harness to sit in. Alright, now we'll put our back panel back on and reinstall the oven. All right, we'll go ahead and reinstall our oven into the cabinet. All right, now we can reinstall our 2 screws. And now the door can go back on. So get those in there, and then we're going to bring it down. And then we're going to push these to the back. Okay, we've turned the power back on to the unit and tested out all of our components, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.